Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add widgets on Android. We place ourselves in an empty space on our Android desktop and keep it pressed. After that, click on the Widgets option that appears. Afterwards, we will see a list of possible widgets. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. To add one, we hold it down and drag it to the area we want on the screen. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.